One calm morning, Nate lay on the soft green grass in his garden, his trainers kicked off and his toes wiggling. Overhead, the sky stretched wide and blue. A few white clouds floated lazily above, some fluffy as sheep, some as pointy as dinosaurs, and a few as delicious as ice cream. But no matter how many clouds drifted by, one thing never changed: the sky was always blue. Nate loved asking questions, especially on days like this. He stared up, his curly hair tickling his ears, and wondered aloud, why is the sky blue? Why not red like apples, or yellow like bananas, or purple like my favorite crayon? The sky shimmered quietly, but didn't answer. But then, whoosh, a playful wind swirled around Nate, ruffling his hair and wrapping him like a gentle hug. Wonderful question, the wind whispered, its voice as soft as feather pillows. Would you like to find out? Before Nate could ask how, he blinked, and found himself sitting in a soft, puffy cloud boat. It was just the right size for one small boy and one curious heart. Up, up, up the cloud boat floated, soaring past birds flapping in surprise, past aeroplanes zooming off to adventures, and through clouds that giggled as Nate swished by. Soon, the air grew warmer and brighter, and there ahead was sunny sun, smiling as wide as the widest grin Nate could make. Sunny sun shone golden and kind. Hello, Nate, boomed the sun, sending a warm hug down. Did you know I helped to color the sky? Nate squinted up. But you're yellow, he called. The sun chuckled and shook with a glow. That's only because all my colors are mixed together, like paints in a bright, beautiful swirl. He stretched out his golden arms, and, flash, his light shimmered into a lovely rainbow right across the sky. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, violet, all my colors travel to Earth together. But what happens when they reach the air? Nate wondered. Let's go meet the air, the wind twirled, and suddenly there were teeny-tiny air sprites all around. The little sparkly sprites danced and bounced, giggling as sunlight shot through them. When the rainbow light from the sun traveled through the air, red and yellow zipped through, but the blue. Boing! 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 The blue light bounced every which way, up, down, sideways, all around Nate till he felt positively tickly with giggles. That's why you see blue wherever you look, chimed the air sprites in a sparkly chorus, because we make blue light bounce all over the sky. Nate's eyes went wide. So the sky's not really blue at all? Not really, laughed a nearby cloud, sailing by. It's blue light being shed, a giant sky dance. The wind swirled the cloud boat through a soft, grey cloud. The cloud hummed gently, explaining, we don't paint the sky, and we don't use brushes. The sky's color comes from light dancing with the air. Nate grinned from ear to ear. So, the sky is a dance party. Yes, sang the wind and the air sprites together. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Bye.